This is a no down payment 3-bedroom condo in BGC. 125 square meters, corner unit in Uptown Modern. Semi-furnished, smart home equipped, pet-friendly and complete with hotel-type amenities. It has balconies, maid's room, and a very spacious living area. Newly launched, so it's still on the introductory price, so expected na tataas yung value in the upcoming years. Perfect for investment and retirement home since 2031 pa ang turnover. Before I proceed, just comment corner unit so I can send you the full details. Located in a 15 hectares township in BGC where everything is within your reach. Surrounded by multinational offices, prestigious schools, restaurants, and malls such as Mitsukoshi, Landers BGC, and Uptown Mall. It is also 8 kilometers away from International Airport, ideal for foreigners, OFWs, and expats dahil pwedeng iparent or Airbnb yung unit pag wala kayo dito sa bansa to generate income. For as low as 72,000 pesos per month without down payment and annual lump sum, you may already secure your 3-bedroom unit. Everyone are welcome to invest. Just comment down below or send a direct message. Salamat!